for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba mag-order ng new GCash card. Alright, so punta tayo sa ating topic. So, click natin itong GCash Help Center. And then, scroll down natin. Titingnan natin dito kung paano nga ba mag-order. Step 1, punta tayo sa GCash, view all natin. And then, top cards, order GCash card, order card, next, and pay. Yan. So, ma-deliver siya ng 4 to 10 days, business days. And then, siya ay darating na sa ating bahay. Siya ay. Yan. So, punta tayo sa GCash app. Yan. Pero, bago yon, punta muna tayo sa Play Store. Tingnan nyo muna yung GCash app kung updated na nga ba. So, lagi nyong titingnan kung laging updated si GCash. Dahil madami siyang features na ilalabas in the future. Alright, so number 2 finance sila. Yan, and you can see. Alright, so as you can see ay naka-update ng aking GCash app. At punta tayo, open natin ang GCash app. And open natin. Yan, as you can see I have balance 4,000. And sabi dun sa step 1 ay pumunta sa view all. Yan, view all natin. And then second step is tap cards, scroll down, and then click the cards. Yan. And then, as you can see, napakaganda nung bagong GCash card. Yan. Ibig sabihin ng Visa card is international siya. Alright? So, pwedeng mag-withdraw sa ibang bansa. Yan. Sa Canada, Singapore, Qatar, Taiwan, at saang sulok ng mundo pwede kang mag-withdraw at gamitin itong GCash card. Alright. Over 200 countries. Okay. So, punta tayo sa ating tutorial. Order card. Yan. Click natin itong order card. Then, click send a card. Yan. So, wala pang, di ba, available sa mga store. Yan. And then, as you can see, Mark Villoria, registered name, and Visa card. As you can see, napakaganda. And then, sabi dito, next natin, and then pay natin. Then, lagyan natin ang ating name. Yan. So, lalagyan natin ating name. After natin mailagay ang ating name, i-next lang natin to. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung ilalagay ko yung aking name. Pero, habang tutorial ko to, ay ilalagay ko na ang aking name, address, and then zip code, and then next. And babalikan ko kayo. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, nilagay ko na ang aking details and then check natin ang terms and condition. Yan. So, kung gusto nyo tignan, basahin, pwede natin basahin ito. Alright? So, kung gusto nyo tignan lahat, yung terms and conditions, basahin lang natin to. Alright? So, basahin, JXI yung pangalan nito. Okay? So, registered siya as BSP. Okay, so after natin may check, next natin. Yan. And then, this is the time to pay our GCash card. Okay, so dapat merong laman yung ating Mastercard or may laman ang ating GCash app. Okay, so meron akong balance of 4,000 at babayaran ko siya ng only 250 pesos. So, pero, yung card is 180. Okay? Or 185. So, 65 yung delivery fee. Yan. So, pero kung gusto niyo bumili sa akin, okay? So, kung gusto niyo kung kalapit lang ng bayan, saan lang kayo, sa Tayug, Natividad, okay? So, pwede kong i-deliver sa inyo. Okay, so pero mas mataas or same amount din lang ang babayaran niyo sa akin. Okay? So, after nyo next, okay? So, after nyo next yung details nung inyong pangalan, bayaran na natin itong GCash. Okay? Yeah, as you can see, nabayaran natin and then let's proceed and order successful. Please expect your card to be delivered within 4 to 10 business days. Okay, so as you can see, order successful na siya at okay natin. And then titingnan natin sa ating cards history. Okay. So, as you can see, tingnan natin yung track my order. So, wala pa. Yan. So, ganun lang kadali mag-order. Yan. So, napakadaming advantage itong GCash card na to. Okay? So, madami pa akong i-tutorial at madami pa akong sasabihin about GCash card. Okay? So, punta lang lamang kayo sa aking Facebook or YouTube channel. Yan, Taraji YouTube channel. Which dito kami nagtuturo ng mga technology tutorial about app, about Wi-Fi. Yan. So, kung paano nga ba gamitin yung GCash especially. Yan. So, visit lang kayo and then please subscribe. Then, wag nyo rin kalimutan na pumunta sa aming Facebook page. Okay? So, dito kami nagbebenta ng GCash card at kung gusto nyo mag-order, please message our Facebook page at i-deliver namin agad. Yan. As you can see, meron na kami mga customer. Yan. So, nag-order sila sa amin ng GCash Mastercard dati. Pero ngayon, meron tayong bagong GCash card, Visa card na pwedeng pang-withdraw sa 200 countries sa ibang bansa. Okay, so as you can see, nagbebenta kami ng GCash card and then nag-GCash cash in cash out din kami. Okay, so huwag niyo kalimutan na i-add friend tong page namin and then i-message if you want to order GCash card. At meron din kami pag-giveaway. Okay, so 10,000 GCash Premo.